Hi fellas, new day, new video. Today let's see how to just simply paint a die-cast car with simple tools. This is a worn-out Matchbox Volkswagen Golf. As you see, the paint is chipped on most of the parts, so let's make it a more bearable and desirable version. No special tools required, no techniques, no expertise needed. Just a couple of locally available permanent markers. This one I am using is the very normal and economical Camlin Black permanent marker. I am touching up the roof side and the A-pillar. A normal fine point marker, approximately 0.5 to 0.7 millimeters, will do the touch-up job perfectly. There are paint chips on the roof, so clean, and then touch up the roof spots. Now the other side roof rail and the A-pillar, then the mirror as well. Then we touch up the front and rear fenders. After the fenders, we touch up the left tail light area, which has paint damage as well. Furthermore, the rear tail spoiler also has paint damage, so touching up that as well. Then we have the other side fender, mirror to touch up, and the some paint chips on the hood and the front grille, so touching up that as well. Lastly, the red color marker to touch up the rear tail light. And now as you see, overall the car is neatly touched and looks a whole lot better and clean. You can try this too if you have a similar worn out die-cast car. This makes the car more desirable and good to look at. So guys, that's all in this video. Keep watching Vids by Introvert. Cheers!